Hey, I'm Chris, one of the founders of Hum. Welcome. I want to just take a couple of minutes here to show you exactly what you just signed up for because I want to make sure we are on the same page about what Hum is. Hum is not a rideshare app. We don't dispatch trips, and we're not asking you to market us or recruit other drivers into some multi-level marketing scheme. What Hum does is something that Uber and Lyft do not and cannot do. It's the private ride. We let you offer private rides directly to your own clients. These trips are fully compliant, fully insured. You get to quote and collect the fare yourself, and you're able to do so because Hum is just operating in the background. We are the technology that makes all of this legal and legitimate. And here's how it works in practice. You get to keep driving on Uber and Lyft. That's where you meet people. They're putting people in your back seat day after day after day. Over time, some passengers can become regulars. They like you, they trust you, they like your driving, and they would book you directly if they could. This is where Hum comes into play. You now get to identify those passengers, offer them private rides through Hum, and you're converting them into your own private client book. That's the whole model. When you do a private ride on Hum, mind you, you keep 100% of everything. There's no commission on our end. No platform that's taking some unfair cut because we don't believe it's fair that Uber and Lyft take more than 50% from your fares. And that's the difference between working for a platform and building your own business. So the path might look a little bit different for everyone, but overall, it's really straightforward. You start on Uber and Lyft, you continue delivering great service, you introduce Hum to your best and brightest passengers, and you start building. Drivers who have done this are doing over 100 rides a month, earning over $5,000 for each of those or for those trips. We have an average fare that hovers above $50. One of our drivers has a client list of over 175 people, 40 of whom are regularly using him every single month. But here's the thing, it all starts with one, right? One private client, that might be one trip every week, and that's instantly another $200 added to your month, right? So you just start stacking these day over day over day. It doesn't take long to get up and running. Again, with a $50 average fare, 1 to 2 trips typically covers your subscription. And that's how a book of business essentially gets built. So this is where it starts for you. This is where it ends for me. The next step is activating your subscription so you can begin accepting private rides. Everything you need, we're sending over SMS and email. So watch your texts, watch your email, check your spam if you don't see anything. Get that subscription activated, and we'll get your app activated, and you can talk to us anytime. So let's get to work, guys.